How to add music to a video on Alight Motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add music to a video on Alight Motion. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Alight Motion application and make sure to import or add your video where you want to add music on. So once you have your video in the editing timeline, in order to add audio, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and here tap on audio. Now tap on view all. Now you can select the audio from your mobile device. Tap on song. Now select your preferred song. After that, tap on the plus icon next to that song. And as you can see, now this audio has been added into your timeline as well. If you want to drag it with the help of your fingertip, you can simply drag the way you want. Now if you want to clip some of the part of the music so that it gets matched with your video length, you have to select the position. After that, simply split the music. Tap on the remaining part and then delete the remaining part by tapping in the delete icon at the top right, and there you go. Now the remaining part or the half of the part of the music has been deleted. After that, you can export this video. So that's the way to add music to a video on Alight Motion, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.